Dhoni goes again. It's hard, it's high. Is it there? Yes, it is, quite easily. And that's the end of the match. 5 to win before that delivery. Dhoni clean.
Down with a viral infection today. Last ball. Where will it go? Gone! Gone! Over the top. Dhoni finishes with a 6. 262 for 4. 15 off the over. Dhoni 28 from 13 deliveries. Just what India would have wanted from him. It's a big, big target for the West Indies. This is a virtual semi-final. 89 runs off the last 10. Would have been 83 but for this shot. Just clearing the mid-wicket fielder.
And it really is just the cream on the cake after 165 run partnership between Kaif and Yuvraj. He's a strong man and he gets under it. 40 off the last 3 overs.
Dhoni will finish this off. Do you think he's got a 6 in his mind?
Yes, he has a 6 on his mind. And that is exactly what he gets. His 10th sixer. What an innings. Magnificent innings by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 183 not out of 145 balls, 15 fours and 10 sixers. The strike rate. And this time goes over the top. And when he does that, he clears the fence by a huge distance.
And this is what the crowd has been waiting for from Dhoni. He came in with a huge reputation and he's not done away with it. There you are, at 6. Not disappointed any of the crowd. And he might even finish off with another, like he did in the last game.
What does he eat? Right into the Indian dressing room. He is unbelievable. It's in the air and it's gone the distance. India have won this match and have won the series 4-0. What a magnificent contribution from this current Indian team. Everybody has chipped in and this has been a fantastic partnership. They were 180 for 6 at one stage and partnership of 82 between Dhoni and Suresh Raina.